Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the waxes you should buy if you're just getting started into the wax carving. If you're a beginner and you want to learn how to get detail like this, I'm going to recommend the waxes I use when doing my wax carving projects. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. The wax I recommend is the green wax. There's two other waxes available, which is the blue and the purple, but I recommend using the green. It's a little harder and you'll get a lot more detail when carving. When purchasing this wax, you'll get it in many different forms. So you'll get it in a block like this. You can also get it in a sheet like this. I recommend getting a box of assorted sheets. So they come in all different thicknesses. So you got the skinny sheet like this, and then it goes all the way up to about a thick sheet about this thick. That means you can pick a sheet that fits the project that you want to do next. So if you're going to do a cross like this, you might pick a sheet about this thickness, and then you can just cut your strips, put them together, and then make a cross. Or you might want to make something a little thicker, so then you'll pick out a thicker strip. Then you can carve something a little bigger, like this. This is a real pain trying to cut through this. So if you buy a box that already has all the different size strips in there, you can just pick the strip that you want for your project. It's just going to save you a lot of time, a lot of mucking around. The next thing I recommend is getting the signet ring tube wax like this. Already got the hole in it, it's got the flat top, the round bottom, so obviously you can make a signet ring with this, or you can start carving out your own skull ring, maybe something like this. You're going to put a stone in it. You can also have the option of making a wedding ring, wedding band. It just means that you're going to end up having to cut away a lot more material. So buying this type of wax, it just gives you a lot more options. You're not sort of stuck doing one style of ring. It means that you can either do a wedding ring or a skull ring, signet ring. I definitely recommend getting these two styles of waxes. So you're buying the box of strip waxes in the assorted sizes, and you're buying this, the biggest signet ring wax. It just means that you've got the option of doing many different projects. It's pretty much going to cover all your bases on what you need to do to get started. Man, that's got to be a record, getting that done in under 2 minutes. So think about subscribing to the channel and let us know what you think we should do next. If you want to see more videos on wax carving, check out this one.